battle, babe. Battle, battle, battle.
Oh. Couldn't get him.
Get it, Sandy.
Let's go, Starz!
It's working.
Good.
Hey, good job, goalie. That's what fell in. Come on, guys. Communicate. Talk to each other. Push him out. 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 Push him out.
We're not pushing him enough.
My cup got caught in my.
Thank you for sharing.
Thanks for not pushing him out on me.
If only he wasn't so fast.
Right? If only. Well, how are we gonna play?
Let's go, Starz.
Go get him, Bill. Only, number 8 is number 10 in that one. Good job, Fallon. Good job. Yes. Good job. Boom, pick. See that ball. How can you see that ball? Hey, let's go, Starz.
Good job, Starz. Seattle Starz 1, Harvest 0.
Without any words. Battle. That's... Don't stay up. Don't stay up. Nolan. Push it. I think they need to check somebody's head. Losing team meeting. Nice! Oh. Oh my goodness. Don't get it the ball. There we go. Good pressure, good pressure. Come on, Darby. Come on, Darby. On him, on him. Nice. Boom, boom. That's good. Yes, nice. Boom. Here we go.
Job, Boone.
Jump in. Darby. Nice, Darby. Watch out. Darby. Watch out. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Watch it, Fallon. Let's go, Fallon. Nice. Angel. Go.
All right, good shot, buddy. Good luck. Good shot, goalie. Good take, goalie.
Gotta be white. There we go, Jordan.
All right, buddy.
Tip it. On him. Finn. Push him out.
Hey, Jordan, help too. Hot.
getting dark, you know.
I think, are we the last? We must be the last game of the day on this field.
Yeah. Oh, he's in there. Watch out. Nice!
Nice shot, Sawyer!
Nice to save. Go, Fallon, nice. Get ready to see that. Go. Nice. Go, Fallon! Go, Fallon, go. There we go. Nice! There we go. Nice job, Fallon. Good job, Fallon. Oh, still got the ball.
Those leaves.
We're good. Hey, carry it this time. This time.
Nice. Oh, good look. Oh, good save, goalie.
Santi, go get it! Santi, go get it! Get it, Santi. Santi, go get it! Go, Santi, go! Nice, Santi! Let's go, Will! Shoot it!
Oh, up and go again! Go again! Yay! Job, D! Score is Seattle Stars 3, Harvest 0. You asked me to go up and down.
Battle corner.
You lost me.
Go talk to your coach. Come on, Ellen. You got 2 extra coaches, Steve. She did for you.
Jordan, you're two. Bounce it for Brady. All right.
No. Nice. Yes! Nice. Fallon. Okay. Nice!
Stay back, Colin.
Nice.
Me here. No. You got it. Here's your look. Oh, yeah. You're good.
There you go.
Get there. Yeah.
Come on, D.
No fair. Check.
Yeah. Good shot, goalie. Good job, Drew. Oh, yeah.
Isn't that goalie interference? No, we don't call it anymore?
Yeah, but he got it. So what are you going to do?
That's the rule, though.
I like that rule.
It's okay.
That's funny.
That was really
Yeah, but he got it. So what does that matter?
funny. Stop the game so we can have the ball again.
I mean, not wrong. Maybe the rules are a little looser in the showcase.
They've been letting them just play. To be sure. Showcase.
Come on, Derby. Come on, Derby. Come on, Derby.
Go, Santi.
Good, Santi.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Santi, take me. Santi, 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 Santi.
Keep it clean now, keep it clean.
Be very careful. You're now being filmed. You better go away from
Nice
this.
job, Drew. Good defense.
Stars.
Oh, Stars. Sorry.
No, you're in the wrong frame of mind. It's all right. Got to change gears a little bit. Go, Booney. Sorry, I missed that in there.
Go, you got it, go.
No, yeah, you can't.
I just got a nasty jam from Aaron, I'm pretty sure.
You might get
Shut up, Amy. 3 years, okay? 3 years.
I know.
Come on.
Yeah, Kian!
Go.
Let's go, Darby.
Let's go, Darby! Yeah, Darby!
Oh, shoot.
Let's go, Jordan!
Job,
There you go, Kian!
job, D. Those boys, that D.
Let's go, Darby!
Let's go, Darby.
Is he here?
Oh, you, Darby!
Go, Darby.
Good tip, Darby. Good tip, Darby. Darby.
Yeah, Darby!
Ah, boys. Good job, Stars.
Nice. Good job. Let's go, boom.
Boom, bring up the ball. Kian, look at Pass Kian.
That's cute.
Stay home. Stay home.
To Michael. Does a little ziggy-zaggy. Oh, biscuits.
Will, let's go.
Let's go, dude. Come on, dude. Come on. In there. Ooh. Oh, that was beautiful.
That looked good.
Beautiful. Come on, dude. Come on, dude.
Good. Top side. Top side.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Go, Darby.
Nope. 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 Oh, biscuits.
Come on.
Good D, Cam. Yeah, Matt. Yeah, Matt. Nice.
D, bud.
Good tip. Good tip. Michael. On him, D. On him, D. Yes,
Yes,
D.
D. Yes, D. Yes, D. Yes. Come on, buddy. Oh.
Whoa.
Good work.
Go, Max. Go, go.
Go, Mike, go, Mike.
Mike. There we go.
Oh, it's Michael on Mike.
Come on, Mike.
Yeah, Sawyer.
Yes! Is it Ryan?
Stars.
Nice job, Stars. Good D. Nice, Ryan! You better turn it up, boys.
Let's go, run. No, that's Fallon.
I couldn't see numbers.
All right.
And line balls whatsoever.
Middle. Stars, come on.
Green one. It's a green ball.
Nice, boom. Get it back.
Get it, Ryan. Get it,
Get the
Ryan.
blue ball.
Going for a green ball now, boys. Come on.
Green ball.
Green.
Oh, yes. Nice, Darby.
Dang it. Green is probably the worst. Oh, orange.
Orange. Oh, look at Noah and Patty's fast. Nice and orange.
Halftime. Seattle Stars 3, Harvest 0. Shoot.
All you.
Danny, go get it. Oh, no. He can? He can move it? Okay.
No. Not until possession.
Yeah, max him out.
Go, Ryan.
Let's go, Stars.
Now can I see who the number?
Yeah, now can you?
Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan.
Ryan.
Go get him, Ryan.
Sonny.
I like it, Fallon. I like it. I can't see, Ruth. Right. We're left. But not right there.
Awesome. Nice.
Job, Sawyer.
Go, Fallon.
Fallon.
Yeah, that's what I want. Maybe that's what I said. It was good.
Hotel.
Nice. There we go.
Job, guys. Seattle Stars 4, Harvest 0. Shoot. Got a good. Quick on it. Yes. On it, Connie. Help. Right there. Good job. Oh.
Dusty.
That's what Kean said. Kean said it was actually really bad. There we go, BB.
Go, Jordan.
Yeah, man.
Jordan. Get it back, Jordan.
He's not going for the ball.
Get it back, Jordan.
Mike. Get up for it.
Saw that one.
something coming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was ready.
Yeah.
Sorry, you can have a lax moment. We'll get it back.
You don't want it. You got that well.
Look at that dust down there. Yes.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Good job.
Yes.
There we go.
Come on, Johnny May.
Come on, Jordan. Come on, Jordan.
Let's go.
Get it.
Sorry. See, we're
He's fast.
Oh.
Yeah. Good job, goalie. Run. Why did he do that? Oh, Lord. Pay attention. That's right. That's right. There we go. Good on it. Good on it.
Come on, boys.
Oh!
That does, sometimes I get you one, but it
That's
doesn't.
not always Papa, but it should be. But okay, we'll play. He's all right. He springs all the time on the ground.
Huh?
He springs all the time on the ground.
Yeah. He's like Bradley. No, he's not.
Good job, Angelo!
Heavy.
Kill the penalty. Kill the penalty. Go, Darby. Come on, Darby.
Yes!
Oh.
Good luck, Darby.
Come on, Max.
He's shifty, isn't he? He's shifty.
Is Max always defense? Oh my God. 44 ducks.
Got a lot of balls over there. Start throwing them back, Nice.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Good. Good job, Danny.
Good job, Danny.
Get there. Oh, boy. Take out his own guy. Yeah, Max.
Did he say that? What did he say? Seattle Star. Seattle Stars 5, Harvest 1. Stars.
Go, Coco.
Oh, biscuits, man.
Oh. On it, come on it.
Good job, Holden.
Come on, Boone. Good job, Boone. Good job, Boone. Biscuits.
You two are my favorite combo all day today, just so you know it.
Well, thanks. Just glad. I was just testing you on.
Favorite combo all day.
Yes!
Oh, good job, Sawyer.
Nice job, Sawyer. Good job,
Okay.
Stars.
Go, Finn.
Go, Finn.
Fast, Finn. Fast. Go, Finn.
Come on, wheel spin.
Okay, we
Good
gotta go.
effort, guys. Good effort. Now go.
That's all you, Jim. Get it,
We
Jim.
haven't been enforcing that at all today.
Oh, that's the second.
Oh,
I
that's
like
all right.
it.
Good
I
job.
like it.
Good take.
I
Good
like
take.
Ooh, yes. I like a little golf.
Yes.
Got it.
Good job, Connor.
Figured it out.
Figured it out. Yes, he did.
Just needed it.
Okay, hold on. Well, there's a limit of how many you can have on the field.
Go,
Go, Matt, go.
Right behind you.
Love it. Oh no.
Well, when you do that, you have with that, but you know.
Go, go.
All right.
Nice play, Danny. Oh, get it, Jan.
Midline, Max, midline.
Chest.
Go defense.
Yeah, just stay there.
My poor partner, this is his 8th game.
I know. He has
yeah.
been nonstop.
And we weren't even supposed to have this one. We stayed because nobody was up.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate
We're
you.
not going to leave them hanging.
Don't forget about
Guys
the
have
little
done a
guys.
great job.
We
Thank you.
appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
Let's go, Jordan!
Get him, Ryan.
Come on, Jan.
Get in there, Ryan.
Yes. Nice job, Starz. Michael.
Oh, what's my kid doing down there?
He's doing down there. I put him in his midi.
Oh,
Yes.
Good effort, Holden.
good job, Will.
You still got it.
You're all right. You're all right.
Stay
Now you're
there
going to
now.
take
Never
them off.
heard anybody.
Exactly.
Okay, definitely more physical than the last one was. Yeah, when you lose, you start to feel it. Oh, get it, Danny! Faster!
Close, like.
Yours, Darby! Yours!
Sorry, I'm missing all of it. I can't all of it.
Oh my God, now you can see it.
Yeah, see? Makes a big difference.
Can, yeah. I think it's affected us more than you guys.
You think? Okay.
Go.
Sing through it to him, kid. Yeah, Danny!
There we go. Their pressure is so much. I know. I got it.
Get it.
Go, go.
Hey! Good job, Sawyer! Go, Boone.
Behind.
Go, get him.
Let's have a good possession. Okay. Yeah, let's have a good possession. I don't know, Coach Nolan or Did you just do that? Good job, Lily. Good job, Lily.
Go, go. Oh,
Good job, Drew.
Oh yeah,
Go,
get that
Matt, go.
ball.
go. Keep going.
Yes. Get it, D. Go, D. Go. There you go.
River.
Yeah.
Job, River. Job, River. Seattle Stars 8, Harvest 1. All right, you're all right. You're all right. Get back, Coco. Get back, Coco. Oh. Well, that's gonna be all bad.
Here we go.
Hey, let's go cheerlead this time. Cheerlead this time. Hey, super. Yeah, it's gotta be you.
hit the ground.
Taking my phone. Are there like seconds left?
Good job, Lily. Cameras everywhere, right?
Get it, Bobby!
How? Offside.
Like that kid didn't even realize what he had did. He's like, oops, my bad. I'll go out. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
Definitely.
Oh.
Good job, Drew. Go.
Get him.
Go, go!
Get it, Ryan. Keep with him, Ryan. Stay with him. Yep, yep.
Come on, Mike.
Nice move, Mike.
Good
job, Mike.
Starz
7.
Harvest 2.
Seattle Stars 7. Harvest 2. About a minute left.
Good. It's a good place like Danny's sitting down there.
Oh, yep, that was clean.
Oh, it was not.
Good job, Ryan.
Look at him in the back. Nice, Ryan. Good team.
Final score, Seattle Stars 7, Harvest 2.